Are you curious about Neurocept, the supplement making big claims about boosting memory, improving focus, clearing brain fog, and even protecting against age-related decline? It definitely sounds appealing, but once you dig deeper into the details, the picture isn't so simple. The first thing that stands out is the flashy marketing. Bold promises of sharper thinking and long-term brain health, but very little solid evidence to back them up. The product also highlights FDA and safety approvals in a way that feels a bit misleading, since dietary supplements in general aren't directly approved by the FDA. Another red flag is the lack of real scientific research tied specifically to Neurocept itself, which makes it difficult to verify whether its formula actually delivers what it promises. Adding to that, there are signs of rebranding, which can make it harder to trust where the supplement comes from or who's behind it. And when it comes to reviews, many of them seem unverified or overly generic, raising doubts about how authentic they are. So while Neurocept is marketed as a cutting-edge brain booster, there are still plenty of unanswered questions that you should keep in mind before making a decision. If you still want to see for yourself, the product is tagged in this video,